You record your Zoom sessions also?
No, sir, I don't.
Why? Wouldn't that be more useful for you?
It would be, but then I don't have that much storage. And I haven't set it up.
I'm sure your parents will have no problem with you asking for a nice hard disk for storing recordings and then you using that for your own purpose.
Yeah, but then, yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Why have you not thought like that?
I used to record them, and then
This
I
is a
switched
chance
my.
where you can gain good advantages. I'm quite shocked and a little disappointed that you have not taken advantage like this. If I was in your position, by now I would have had one proper external hard disk and one nice mini solid state SSD wala chota hard disk also.
Mm.
Claiming that, Mama, I can't really connect the hard disk to my phone and see properly. I like to watch my videos. कुछ तो बहाना बना सकता है यार.
Yes, yeah.
And your parents will be perfectly happy to spend money if
Yeah.
you give a valid enough reason.
Yes. Yeah. Should
What is
probably
your
do.
laptop, by the way?
Sir, I'm on iPad now, sir.
Oh, you're on iPad as well.
That's why I can't really record. I used to record when I was on my laptop, but then now I don't.
That is a problem.
Yeah.
That is a problem. So you used to use laptop earlier.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Very long ago.
Very old laptop. Huh?
No, long ago.
No, what is a laptop like? Good
It was
laptop or
a.
shit laptop?
It was pretty okay. Yeah. It was
Why did you disappoint? Why did you stop it?
because I had many games on there, and like
Fair, fair, fair. So basically, that got canned for some other reason.
yeah, my father had to take it.
Okay, yeah, next.
1 second.
Hmm. How do you keep track of the number of hours of each class, dude? That will be a big pain, no? And
Yes,
I
sir.
see that you do it quite nicely.
After class, I just record that in the Google Sheet.
Oh, you maintain a prop. Oh, you're a sincere bugger. Okay, huh? Okay, huh. So after every class, you mention something like that.
Yeah.
That's very convenient, rather. It's very sincere. That is actually quite sincere. Huh?
Sir,
Next.
if acidic hydrogen was there, then internal acid base reaction would happen.
Yes.
Oh,
Not just acidic hydrogen. If the system is having anything which the Grignard can react with, it can be acidic hydrogen, it can be a location which is going to be capable of being targeted by a nucleophile.
yes, sir.
If I have an aldehyde, let's say in the molecule in some corner, then the
Oh,
other cannot also.
okay.
Because in that case, nucleophile type of attack can happen.
Understood, sir. Yeah.
Hmm.
What was I gonna say?
Next up.
Just a second, I forgot.
Okay. So can I expect that you'll be ready with hydrocarbons next time?
Yes, sir. I'll try.
So trust me, that is going to be a very critical part which you have to fix. You
Okay.
cannot skip it.
Huh?
Hydrocarbons is going to be a very important part you definitely have to focus on fixing properly.
Yeah.
You cannot neglect it.
Sir, should I do hydrocarbons? Should I go back to GRC and then do that? Because I haven't done those questions. I've done many on this. Isomerism
Parts of GOC are messed up for you.
thing like acidic nature, basic nature, a little bit.
That should have gotten relatively clarified by now.
Now it's fine. Back then it was a big issue. I
It
think
is
now I'll
an
be
issue
able to.
anyway, and that is going to be an issue for a while because that the problem with that is not really that you have an issue. The problem with that is you don't have data.
Uh, I
So
guess now you get.
don't the issues are different types. In acidic nature, basic nature, you understand shit, but you're not able to solve the questions in a manner where you get marks.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Why is that happening? Not because you don't understand, because you do not have data.
I guess I should do more questions on that.
That's not worth it right now. You can do that certainly, but a better method is going to be
In going backward,
you
maybe.
suffer through exams, collect information through exams, because
Yes,
most of the standard stuff you know already. Don't laugh. I'm being very honest here.
Yes.
Most of the standard stuff you know already, right?
Yes,
If they're giving you a common sense, logical order, you'll get it right. The problem comes when they give you shitty exceptions, new shit which you're not familiar with, correct?
Hmm.
How do you find those new shit? No one's going to put them up in a proper list, right?
Hmm.
Even in the list of shit which I gave you, I didn't give you some weird crap here, right?
Yeah.
I gave you only generalizations as much as I could. Yes, I tried to give as many of those generalizations as I could possibly do, but I didn't give you weird crap here. Very few weird crap I mentioned, like Pickering and Square. But I didn't give you any weird stuff. The weird stuff you can only find out when some egoistic teacher decides to take vengeance on students.
Okay.
So you will get that kind of information through exams. Do not feel bad about missing out on some random marks in some random internal exam. It's just not worth it. Nobody will remember it. Nobody will give a fuck about it. The only person who will needlessly suffer for it is you. Even your parents don't care because they know the game.
Hmm.
You have an elder brother. They know the game.
Yeah.
They understand the game. I'm guessing your brother suffered through the same system or some other system.
Yeah. Chaitanya.
Okay,
Worse, yeah.
not worse. I would, yeah, actually, yeah, it is worse. I will say Fiji is a little better off. I'll admit that. I worked in all three of those places, so yeah, Fiji is better off. I'll admit that. The kids who have taught in Fiji, even if they were in the Fiji, there's also this other funny thing. Chennai, at least, they used to make us do this. The same teacher who handles the top batch has to handle the bottom batch as well.
Yeah,
Is
we
it
have
the same
that.
policy here now?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Except for our math teacher. Yeah.
Huh?
Except for my math teacher, my other two teachers teach lower batches. Yeah.
They have to last batch because last batch's suffering is get every student to pass.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Very funny place.
Yeah.
And when the top teacher will not handle both batches is if there is a dearth of teachers. If there are not enough good teachers to handle the junior batch also, then they will do whatever they can for the top batch only.
Mhm.
And it's a big campus. That means yours is not that big a campus then.
It's pretty big. I mean,
I think.
yeah. I mean, we have 3 different branches, right? So, but
And
overall,
I say your campus, I mean your campus.
yeah, it's decently big.
Where you teach and where your teachers teach.
Yeah, like 700 students.
Oh, that's a big campus, dude.
That's really big.
700 kids.
Yes, sir. It's very crammed. It's like above like a barbecue nation. It's pretty bad. Yeah.
You got enough beef to basically poke
Yeah.
with.
It's very bad.
Okay, next go on.
1 second. Sir, GOC or hydrocarbon?
We were discussing now. I would recommend continue on with what are the other problems in GOC. Acidic nature, basic nature, what else?
What else is there? This. Mm, 1 second.
The complicated ones in GOC. Let me rephrase the question for GOC there. Do you have problem with information or do you have problem with any understanding parts of GOC? If you have problems with the understanding parts of GOC, go fix them.
Hmm.
If the understanding parts are clean, move on.
I think I might have a few problems there. I'll just go through that stuff again and see.
Go ahead and make sure that the understanding bits of GOC are cleanly cleared. That will be very useful for later parts, definitely. So get them cleared out. If you have any issues with them, we'll sort them out directly here. That will be easiest and fastest.
Sir, is like this, after this GOC, we studied about bond fission and like reaction intermediates. Are those a part of GOC or like are they?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, okay. Hydrate shift and all those stuff.
Yes. Hydrate shift. We have to discuss a little bit of carbocation rearrangement sometime. Have I discussed or we have not discussed yet?
I don't think we've discussed very well. You also totally discussed
why
elimination.
hydrate shift is more easier than the other ones or not?
Oh yeah, that you told, yes. I remember.
What was the reason I discussed?
That I 1 second.
Was it something related to electrostatic force of attraction and shit like that?
I don't remember that. So.
Okay, so yeah, those are part of GOC. And
You
that
told
rearrangement is quite important. When we have time, we'll discuss that next time.
you told you discuss elimination reactions as well, so I guess we can cover this in that.
Yeah, sure, certainly. We can do that along with that. What else? What else are the pieces in GOC which are shaky, so to say?
So just the questions, I guess. I'm not able to solve. Back then, I was not able to solve questions. So I guess
Then
not sure.
mostly your theory is fine.
Somewhat.
And brush through your theory once. If you feel you want to gain a little bit more confidence in GOC, I would recommend you push it after hydrocarbons.
Okay.
Because hydrocarbons, you don't have confidence even in information now. Even in the reactions, you don't have full confidence there. So get that fixed off first. GOC, if you have theoretical issues, logical issues are there, that should take priority over even hydrocarbons. But if
Okay.
theoretical, logical is fine, and only questions and problem solving is really an issue, that can be postponed a little bit.
I think in the isomerism and little parts, I need to fix up there as well.
What do you mean by isomerism? Like, what problems?
Sir, like this Fisher projection, like these confirmations, I'll just have to go through those again.
That's again practicing questions.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I guess I'll do the isomerism and do the GOC later.
Isomerism will be useful though. Get that isomerism done in GOC first, because practicing questions there will help you understand elimination better also.
In MS Down, there are 2 different chapters actually, this isomerism and GOC.
Isomerism ek baar kar lo. That will give you necessary practice, which is going to be very useful later. And then move on to hydrocarbons.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay.
Okay, next one. Next question.
Yes. Yes, sir. You told that internal acid-base reaction could take place. Right? Like in this question, I think it's happened.
Send me the question.
Yeah, I'm sending it. 1 second. The OH got cut off up there, but yeah, I think this internal thing will happen here. But then, no.
See, this is a shitty question. First off, okay. Now, once you have concluded it's a shitty question, what should you do then?
Learn the solution more. Sir,
What is your job?
get marks.
Correct.
No.
Stop thinking whether shit is correct or not. Your job is not to debate the question.
Sir, I'm not even getting like the answer.
What do you mean you're not getting the answer? Let me just look and get you the answer there. So we end up, let us say, producing a Grignard here for some reason. We produce the Grignard here. Let's say the fellow over here ends up reacting. If it does end up reacting, we have two possibilities. We can get an N minus here, and we'll have the hydrogen going here. That is one possibility. Or we are going to be having this as a C minus going and attacking. Okay, these are my two possible systems. So now let's now check what will happen with this guy as a product. And then we'll check with this guy as a product. Next is going to be benzaldehyde. So with benzaldehyde now, this fellow can come attack over here. Or if I'm going to be hitting with benzaldehyde here, are you noticing how I'm approaching the question here?
Yes, sir. Two different cases simultaneous.
Never assume anything is your correct path there. You understand the game here?
That's very my mistake. Yeah. Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm guessing you screwed up over here.
Yeah. Exactly.
Correct?
Yeah. Now you told that
Now
this
things are
NH.
clear, right? Now you get your answer.
Yes, sir.
Any problems here? You understood what's happening here?
Sir, so
whenever you are having organic chemistry, never exclude possibilities. Go with the flow and be as flexible as possible. Assume everything is possible. Then you decide which is the best.
okay, sir.
You're clear here?
Yes, sir.
Does this lead to the answer?
Yeah, it leads to the this one leads to the answer.
Next.
Sir, like here, because NHR group is there, that's why internal is happening. So that like in the previous question we did, right, this which cannot form a Grignard reagent. So this would be one of the examples.
I do not understand the question here. Oh,
Sir,
you're asking if the question was which will not form Grignard reagent.
then
This
this
would be an
would
answer for that.
yeah, this would not form, right? Yeah. That's right. So if NHR is also there, it will not form.
NHR will also not form.
But
See,
only
what I tell NH nitrogen. See, what
Yeah,
was the acidic nature crap I gave specifically? What is the purpose of giving this? Any nitrogen with a hydrogen.
acidic hydrogen.
Yes.
Attack. Yes.
When you are hitting it with Grignard. Next up.
1 second.
So who asked you to maintain these Google Sheet type of thing?
Like, I've been doing it since the beginning, sir. Like
Yeah, who asked you to maintain the what's Himatej's assistant or your parents?
I mean, initially, my parents only asked me initially, sir.
Good. That's why I was surprised if Himatej's assistant asked for that.
She
If
used
your
to ask for
parents
the
asked,
hours
that
from
makes
me.
more sense.
Like back then, she used to ask the hours from me, and I would tell her, and then she would. Other than
No,
her
but
contact.
I'm guessing you maintained this from the beginning itself.
Yes, sir, from the beginning.
Before she asked.
Before she asked, yeah.
That means your parents. Good habit. Very nice. I'm impressed. Yeah, your mother is a doctor, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That means she's self-employed and she has to maintain all of these.
Yeah.
But it's mostly your mom then.
Yeah, my father doesn't. Yeah.
Your father will not give a crap about this. Yeah,
Yeah, he does not.
You've sent another question?
No, sir, just 1 second.
Yeah, finish up. Yeah. So what was the answer given here?
Sir,
Bombay.
this. Huh?
Bombay?
Yes, yeah, it's big. Yeah. Like this showed up in two different places. The exact same mechanism. This same components as I was asking. Sir, also like it was like in one question, it was stated that only in basic medium this RMGX will attack less stately hindered area. Only in basic medium RMGX will attack less stately hindered area.
Less?
Sterically hindered area. Like specifically mentioned basic medium.
I think Only in basic medium, RMGX will attack less sterically hindered area.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound correct.
Yeah, I think why it's
That
the
doesn't
question.
sound completely correct. It might be correct in some cases, but that doesn't sound like a good
I can give
sound
the
assumption to make. Give me the case where they're given
Yeah,
it
that's
in
right.
context with.
Just a second. Send
That should be okay in quite a few contexts, but it will not be correct in all contexts. It doesn't sound like a good assumption to make.
Hmm.
What is your problem here? Only in basic medium it will attack as.
No, I mean, this is stated that
This
that
is a straightforward question. Now, there's
Yeah.
nothing.
yeah, I got the question, but it was given that like this was there in the solution for some reason. I don't know why it was given. That's why I wanted to ask, like, is there anything?
What the statement is given in the solution, is it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
No, dude. That statement is not applicable here.
Okay.
That statement is not applicable here.
Hmm.
Answer is A only, right?
Yeah, A only, sir. Yeah.
That statement is not applicable here.
Okay. Yeah.
Less sterically hindered will be the one which will be attacked every time here.
Hmm.
It doesn't have to do with basic, medium, and shit. This is not basic, medium technically. Grignard is basic, medium by itself. I don't know what they mean by in basic, medium, Grignard will do. No, that doesn't make any sense. Because
Hmm.
I mentioned about that Grignard is the strongest base you will see in organic. So I don't know what they mean by in basic, medium. No, that doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Oh, okay. That is this. It has nothing to do with Grignard. Epoxide cleavage. Yes. That's what they mean. Yes, that makes more sense. Give me a second. Let me explain this. When I'm going to be having any epoxide, okay. So epoxide, na, this type of fellow. I don't care what else is connected here. Some shit is connected. This epoxide here can break. Epoxide cleavage, let us say, is happening. The epoxide cleavage can follow two mechanisms. This can go via either SN1-like mechanism or via SN2. Okay, when it is going via SN2 mech over there, then attack will happen on attack of nucleophile on less sterically hindered location.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whereas if it is following the SN1-like mech over there, in this case, attack of
More
nucleophile
alkyl substituted.
will happen on what to say
Alkyl
more
substituted.
stable C+ location.
Yeah. Exactly. Mhm.
So in that scenario, you're going to be having this. That is in this via SN2 here, this is going to be in basic medium. You understand the point here? This will generally be in acidic medium.
Okay, like that. Okay.
So the point which they have mentioned has nothing to do with Grignard.
Oh, okay.
It is a point for the epoxide cleavage.
Is this like a part of SN to SN?
It's more, it's not SN to SN1 vector. This is going to be something which you'll be learning in
Different chapter.
alcohols, phenols, ethers chapter, not here.
Okay, okay, fine.
So
Then
don't worry about it. It's a point from there.
okay, sir. Yeah.